Hey, what's up, guys? It is Greg Luther, and I finally made it to Orlando, Florida. Excited to be here with a whole bunch of agents that are flying in, and I want to talk to you really quick about what you can do to earn an additional $200,000 a year as a real estate agent. Now, I've got several agents from all over the country, and we've decided to do something a little special here at this event. What we're doing is I've got 4 agents that we're bringing on stage, and I'm going to show them here's exactly what you can do to generate an additional 200 grand a year. Now, it doesn't really matter where they're at right now, what their production level looks like. We're going to have 4 different agents on stage, which is one of them only made $37,000 last year, and another one made over $600,000 last year. And what we're going to do is I'm actually going to cover, let me sit down here, I'm going to cover some very simple free approaches that you can put in place to generate an additional $200,000 in income. Now, a lot of times you might think, man, it costs a lot of money to do that, or I'm just struggling as a real estate agent. The fact is, anybody can do this, particularly when you're starting with totally free marketing. You got to keep in mind, everybody's starting on the internet, and a lot of what you can do on the internet is totally free. So what I'm doing is I'm actually going to be doing that session during this 2-day event here, and I'm going to be recording that session as well. I've got a professional videographer coming in. So hi, Vicki. Thanks for joining me here today. So whether you're watching this live, as I'm recording this live, or if you are watching a recording where we'll have, hundreds or thousands of people watching that, what if you could get access to that recording? What if I'd give it to you totally free? Like, to show you that you can generate an awful lot of business as a real estate agent. For you to see agents live on stage, exactly what they're doing, what their current business looks like, where all of their business is coming from, their number one lead sources, and then watch me completely revamp their business using totally free marketing. What would that do for you if you could copy that in your own marketplace? So we're going to have, I think I've got like 100, 120 agents flying in for this event here. But of course, a lot of people like getting some of the digital portions of this. So I'm going to be recording that session where we've got 4 agents coming up on stage, everything from 30 grand to, I think one's doing 400, 600,000 a year. They're doing a lot of money. How can you add an extra 200,000 to your business without spending a bunch of money on marketing or systems or websites or technology or all that crap everybody's trying to sell you? So you're going to see, I'm using them as a case study. We're actually calling them guinea pigs. I said, if you'd like to be one of my 4 guinea pigs, I'll completely revamp your business. We're just doing it for the camera so that everybody can revamp their business. But we're going to track their results. You'll see how they do an instant cash surge, how they generate a lot of business in 30 to 60 days, and ultimately in creating an additional $200,000 in income for every single real estate agent. So what I'm doing, I'm actually going to be recording that session. I don't know if we're doing that one tomorrow or the next day. I think it's tomorrow is that big session that we're doing, and I'm going to be recording it. If you'd like to get it, I'll give it to you free of charge. You help me, I'll help you. Here's what we're going to do. If you'd like to grow your real estate business, I will email you. Now, it's going to take a week or so for us to get it through editing and chop out that section and all that, but I will email it to you free of charge. I just ask you to do a couple of things. Number 1, follow this page if you're not already following. Make sure you like this video. And then if you tag 2 other real estate agents, that helps us to help a lot of agents. It's going to be your friends, so we can get them making an extra 100, 200, 300,000 a year, whatever they end up utilizing. They can start duplicating that process, and it'll help you too. So all you've got to do, follow this page and like this video, and then just tag 2 real estate agents in here and give me your email address. Make sure you type your email address properly. I know a lot of times with autocorrect down in the comments here, it'll put a space between the @ or whatever. So just make sure it looks right and hit send. As soon as that's done, I'm going to get you copies or a copy of the actual video of us revamping their business. You want a business revamp? This is going to be your opportunity to get it. You're going to get it totally free of charge. There's nothing for sale in that session. I'm not going to be selling you anything. You're going to get everything you need totally free with that video. So simply tag a couple of agents, leave your email address below. Make sure you're following our page too. Obviously, we try and give as much value as possible. But again, this is not a sales pitch. There won't be anything for sale. We've already got a lot of agents doing extremely well. Let me help you out to grow your business. Here's my opinion. if I can get you making a couple $100,000 a year, you're going to be back, right? You'll be at the next event. You'll be very happy. You'll be another one of those poster children, from guinea pig to poster children. So I'd love to help you out with that. And again, I'll give it to you totally free. If you've been following me for a while, you know I give out a lot of free resources, and I just want you to tell me how well it's working for you. You tried it out, and it's working really well. If you look through our page here, you'll see we did the same thing for an attorney letter where divorce attorneys and probate attorneys are referring business to our real estate agents. Tons and tons of results from it. You get yourself lots of listings that way. So I want you to be involved with it. I want you to grow your business. And what you'll find is if you'll stay away from all that crap that's being emailed to you, buy this, try that, here's a new software program, we'll set up your website for you. You don't need any of that crap anymore. Business is actually easy if you use proven systems that will get you there. So you're kind of out of excuses if, you know, you're thinking, well, it takes money to make money, or I got to invest in all this stuff or whatever. That's not the case. I'm bringing 4 agents on stage. I'm going to completely revamp their business, and I'm only doing it for the camera. I'm only doing it for you. Because they're going to be able to make a lot more money, because we're going to talk about that instant cash surge. How quickly can you generate some immediate cash? And then how can you duplicate that every month? How can you make sure every single month you've got the cash flow you need, rather than that roller coaster of income that we always experience? How do you keep that level where you need it to be? So again, if that's something you're interested in, we've got an awesome 2 days plus a bonus luxury day. By the way, if you're anywhere near Florida, you better hit me up here. Send me a private email or something, a private message. We are doing an awesome 3-day event. 2-day coaching retreat, Tuesday and Wednesday for my coaching members. And then on Thursday, we're doing a luxury agent mastery for agents that want to break into their local luxury market. So you'll want to hit me up if you're anywhere near the Orlando area, or frankly, the state of Florida, where you can get here quickly. But anyway, I will get that over to you. Like I say, it's going to take a little bit of editing, and I think I've prepared, 27 hours of presentation. This is only going to be about an hour and a half. But this 3 days is 27 hours of presentation, so I will be exhausted by the time this week's over. That's why I figured I better do this video for you now, because I'll be on stage. It's me the whole time. So it's not like people coming up there selling stuff or whatever. This is straight up training. So, and hi, Jason. No, this is not a pre-recorded video. Everybody's worried to death about, like, don't ever watch a movie. Have you ever watched a movie like, I know this is pre-recorded. I know this is a pre-recorded video. Yeah, it's a freaking movie. No, everything I do is live. So Jason Miller, this is a live video. And I have my voice right now. So I can assure you by the end of this week, I am not going to have a voice. But anyway, I'd love to help you with growing your business. Tag a couple of agents here in the video. All you got to do is below the video here, put a couple of real estate agents' names in there, somebody you like and respect that you would like to grow their business. That way they can see this as well. Follow the video, or follow our page here, and then give me your email address, and I'll gladly email you the video once it's all done. If you can't be here, great. But anyway, I want you to have a profitable week. What is today? Monday? So have a profitable week. I'm going to be on stage all week long with these agents. You might get a couple of shots here or videos or whatever. I don't know what my team will do. But we got a lot of big stuff planned for these agents. So until then, go out there and sell some real estate. Again, tag a couple of agents, follow the page. Give me your email address, and I'll gladly share that with you. Let's revamp your business. Let's get you making an extra couple $100,000 a year. I'm Greg Luther. Follow me at gregluthercoaching.com, and we'll plan on talking to you soon. Have a profitable week. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.